This is network technologies. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, is a security method requiring users to provide two or more types of verification to access an account. A server is a computer that provides services to other computers over a network. Keep in mind that any system becomes a server once it is dedicated to providing a service. This can include laptops, desktops, or even mobile phones. The Service Set Identifier, SSID, is the name of a Wi-Fi network that appears in the list of available wireless networks. A wireless access point allows wireless devices such as smartphones and laptops to connect to a wired LAN. Note that a wireless access point on its own cannot create a WLAN without being connected to a network. Radio frequency identification is a technology that uses radio waves to identify, track, or communicate with tagged objects automatically. A practical example is employees tap an radio frequency identification card or fob on a reader to unlock doors. Near-field communication is a short-range wireless communication technology that allows devices to exchange data when they are very close, usually within a few centimeters. A practical example is contactless payments using phones like Apple Pay, Google Pay. Click this link to watch the video. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services like storage, processing, and software over the internet instead of a local computer or server. Think of cloud computing as using computing services like Microsoft 365 over the internet. If cloud computing didn't exist, you'd have to use offline versions of all services and pay for licenses. Click this link to watch the video. A single point of failure is any component in the network whose failure can cause the entire system to stop functioning. A VLAN is a way to split one physical network into separate virtual networks so devices in the same VLAN can talk to each other directly. Imagine one switch where the computers are split into different virtual networks. Computers in VLAN 2 cannot see or talk to computers in VLAN 3, even though they share the same switch. Encryption is the security method of encoding data from plain text/clear text to ciphertext, which can only be decrypted by the user. This is a simple example of encryption. We agree that the letter A will be represented as O. So, if I send you A, you would decrypt it and read it as O. Click on the link to do the exercise. A VPN is a tool that encrypts your internet traffic, keeping your browsing private, hiding your IP address, and preventing your ISP or others from tracking you. Firewall is a piece of software or hardware that filters all incoming and outgoing traffics from a network according to a defined set of rules. Firewall versus intrusion detection system versus an intrusion protection system. A firewall blocks or allows traffic. An IDS monitors and alerts on suspicious activity. An IPS actively detects and blocks malicious traffic in real time. Click this link to watch the video. A demilitarized zone is a separate network that acts as a buffer between your local area network and any untrusted network. You can think of it like the gatehouse of a large home. The gatehouse is positioned outside the main residence to handle visitors and protect the home from direct exposure. Click this link to watch the video. Network attached storage is a dedicated storage device connected to a network that allows multiple users to access and share files. Redundant array of independent, inexpensive disks, RAID, is a storage technology that combines multiple hard drives to improve performance, reliability, or both. Click this link to watch the video. Failover is a reliability mechanism where a system automatically switches to a backup resource when the primary one fails or becomes unavailable. Internet of Things (IoT) focuses on connecting devices, whereas the Internet connects both people and devices globally. These are different examples of operating system. Click on the link in the description to do the exercise before you continue. This is the end of presentation. See you in the next chapter.